Good evening, everyone. Thank you for joining us tonight at 11. 23 million Americans have likely been infected with coronavirus, and it could spread without even knowing that they are infected. That's because the CDC now says it believes 10 times as many people have or had the virus than tested positive for it. This as the U.S. is seeing its largest one-day total of new infections since the crisis began in March. In fact, Jim, some states are shutting down again.
Yeah, this was obviously the big concern all along. That's Texas now announcing the latest one that it's pausing reopening. It's just one of three of the most populous states when it comes to breaking new records today. California, Texas, and Florida all reaching new highs for the most cases reported in a single day. And the CDC predicts nearly 30,000 more Americans could die by mid-July. Now, when it comes to Florida, Palm Beach County, it is a major hotspot right now, and it's leaving many to wonder if lockdowns and widespread closures like the ones used in March to slow the virus could be in our future. CBS 12's Jay O'Brien has been joining us right now. He's been talking to county officials about that. Jay, what did you learn today?
Jim, many dread the idea of going back to the way things were months ago. Empty streets, closed stores, and soaring unemployment. But new cases in Palm Beach County show another fear coming true, a virus that's making a comeback. It wasn't long ago that this simple act of eating at a restaurant was against the law. Now we're out, and few want to go back.
More opening of businesses, definitely.
I want to see it in open, but I want to also tell people to be careful.
But as we reopen, coronavirus numbers in Palm Beach County aren't something to celebrate. A while back, Governor Ron DeSantis gave Florida counties a checklist, things they have to do in order to keep reopening. The problem is, Palm Beach County doesn't meet many of those requirements anymore. We're seeing more, not less people with COVID symptoms, not to mention an increase, not a decrease in COVID cases. That goes along with a rise, not a fall, in positive test results.
We're in a true second wave.
County Commissioner Melissa McKinley agrees the numbers look bad, but doesn't want to close the county a second time because of the massive economic risks.
My intention is to not move backwards, but I also am not ready to move forward.
Instead of closing, the county will stay in a holding pattern, not reopening anything else, while leaders hope continued enforcement of social distancing and new rules like the mask mandate will help. Cases, though, show no signs yet of slowing down.
With this rise comes a little bit more fear. I think people will be more responsive to following the guidelines.
Before this new spike in cases, Palm Beach County asked Governor DeSantis for permission to enter into phase 2 of reopening. That request is now on hold at the governor's office because of this new wave of cases. I'm Jay O'Brien, CBS 12 News.